What's up guys, Pigcrafter MC here, and welcome to Agario, the pocket version. Yay. Well, if you don't know what Agario is basically, you go around as a blob and you try to eat other blobs to become bigger, and oh my lord, if I can just get my, that is an example of what not to do. And I don't know, I might just avoid Jumbo, first of all. And Mars as well. Let me just nom. Oh, Exo. I thought it said X out at first. Exo. Obama. Oh, no, Mars! Why Mars? Let me just numb everything down because that's my job. Because that's how, let me play again. Oh, go again. Oh my lord. My thing just literally went out and I was like, no, but go back in the game, But it was like, we ain't letting you back in this game. And I was like, yeah, you are so gonna make you. I have issues. Very much so. Well, as I attempt to last more than a... Did I mention this game can get me very, very angry really, really quick? Well, it does. Oh, I'm screwed. I am so screwed. Nope. I can do it. I feel it. I feel like this is the one. I feel like I can maybe make it. Nope, not in that direction. I can't. Oh, what the? Brazil. Get off me, Brazil. Oh. Oh, whoop. Oh, snap. Oh, Lord. This is not gonna go well. I can tell you that much. Let me, nope. Why did I have to go over it? Oh, thank the gods. Nom. Yay. Oh, come here. Should I split? Nah, I ain't gonna split for that. Oh, dang it. I thought maybe I was big enough. Love how they're trying to get me whenever I am clearly a little bit bigger than them. And I've heard... let me rephrase that. I figured out the... Oh, snap. Never mind. Oh, snap. That was a close call. I tell you can get into this game. It's addicting. Shrek, why are you over there? I don't know. I might eat Sonic. Maybe not. I'll have him later. What the heck? Not even gonna ask about that one. Just gonna continue eating everything around me and every doge around me. Oop. Come here, green one. Come here, green one. The green one. Dun. The green one. No. Oh, no. If you want me, you're gonna have to go through this thing. There we go, I avoided it. Oh, but I didn't avoid that. Did not avoid that. Tell you what. Hi. Why are you trying to eat me? Are you trying to make me say goodbye? You can't eat me, dude. Ooh, Jax. Could go for some Jax. Oh, nom. Oh, snap. Go this way. I wonder if I'm on the leaderboards yet. Let me see. Yeah, I'm not technically on the leaderboards, but I am number 16. That's pretty good. It's gonna count for something. Right? I'm gonna chill right here because nobody can really get me from right here. unless they come at that angle, and then I could probably end up dying if I just kind of chill here, but you never know. I am, what number am I? 17? Oh, hey little green guy. What you doing? Yeah, I'm just eating. What about you? Yeah, that figures. Mama, mama, mama. Sorry, that's my phone. Excuse me for one momento. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna end this video off here. Goodbye, everybody.